Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert Microsoft Word to PowerPoint PPT. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Method 1. Using Microsoft Word web version. Open Word document. Open the document you want to convert in Word for the web. Go to File, Export to PowerPoint presentation. Select a design theme for your presentation. Click Export. Word will transform the document into a PowerPoint presentation. Once the export is complete, select Open Presentation to review the results in PowerPoint for the web. Method 2. Using online converters. Go to a website like Convertio or Online Convert. Select your Word document to upload. Select PPT as the output format. Click Convert and download your PowerPoint file once the conversion is complete. Method 3. Using Microsoft 365. Open your Word file in Microsoft 365. Go to File, then Export to PowerPoint presentation. Choose a theme that fits your topic. Click Export to convert the document to a PowerPoint presentation. These methods should help you easily convert your Word documents to PowerPoint presentations. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.